Okay, Lynn, we've got one of our new Grizzly dies, the 2.5-inch strip die here. Can you show everybody how it works?
Absolutely.
All right.
All right, so 12 layers.
12
Unbelievable.
layers. And there's 4 strips across, right?
Yes, yes. So
I love that.
we've got some amazing facts about how much fabric you can cut here. So I'm just showing you that we've got 12 layers here.
Wow. Okay,
Set
12
this
layers.
on here,
Oh.
and we've
The
got
new size mat.
yes, and it's got 2 lines on either side. So you want to have your fabric in between those.
Right, because that's where the blades end.
That's right. Okay, we'll put our mat
We don't
on
want to
top.
make hula skirts.
Only works in the Go Big cutter.
You know, with a normal strip die, 2.5-inch strip die, we can cut a queen size binding. We can cut almost 3 queen size bindings with this one. This is amazing. All right, Lynn, I'll let you do the big reveal.
Okay, and as we always say, give it some love, right? Slide, don't lift, and then we'll just take these little bit of waste off the side.
Off. Oh my goodness.
And here we go. Ready? Look at that.
Oh my gosh.
Is that amazing?
So that's 6
That's 6.
with the fabric strips. So 6 times 4. Wow. That's a lot of strips.
That is a lot of strips. So these dies also come with the guidelines.
That's amazing.
Yes, so you can cut your squares and your diamonds as well. You
Oh.
can see that. Actually, you can see it that way. So I wanted to show you, I did cut the squares all through in one pass. Look at this.
Oh my gosh.
Is that amazing?
That's like a quilt.
It is. It's 384 squares
That's amazing.
in one pass.
That's amazing.
Of 2.5-inch squares.
Should we cut some squares?
Let's do it.
Maybe not 300 and
No.
some.
All right, so we're going to use our 90-degree guideline that's
Okay.
here. And then we're just going to, we'll just put it right over the edge of the blade.
Okay.
With the guideline. And then we go back and forth, or just back.
Yep.
I'll just do 2 just so you can see, just for demonstration purposes. You could do this.
And you can stack them again up to 6 layers.
That's right, yeah.
Or 12 layers. Oh! And what about diamonds? Can we do diamonds
we'll
too?
do diamonds at the same time. Okay, so this again, we just want to make sure that we're over the blade there. We're matching up here to the line. Yes, and again, you could go to 12 layers. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
So
All
just
right.
like that. All right.
Here we go.
Put your mat back on top.
Woohoo! All right, through the cutter we go. Now the Go Grizzly dies only work in the Go Big, right?
That's right, yes. Yeah, and that's because of the width of the die will
Right.
only fit that opening for the Go Big.
Well, and because the Go Big has big power,
That's right. That's absolutely right.
Big energy, big
Who
energy.
knew? Who knew how big it could be?
Wow. And this die is a whole new kind of die, right? It's a
Yes.
whole new, everything about this die is new. But we still have those super sharp blades that are going to cut and cut and cut for you. We've got the new mat size and, oh my goodness, angled guidelines. Look.
Yeah, so there's your squares. Perfect
They're
squares.
And here's our diamonds.
Here's your diamonds.
Oh,
So,
Lynn, this is
how exciting.
This is so exciting.
Yes, and we talked a little bit about the mat so this is the same type of mat, and you can, continue to use it for hundreds of cuts.
Right.
And you flip it and use both sides of it.
Yes. This is amazing.
It's really going to help you get all those quilts done in record time.
It is.
And for jelly rolls too. It's
Well,
so
you
fast.
know, at AccuQuilt, we want to help you cut time.
So you can quilt more.